Good day everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to plot a site survey plan in Autodesk Revit. So the first step is to drag in the proposed the site plan you want to. So I'm just going to minimize Revit and just drag in the survey plan. I'm going to maximize it again. So as you can see, we have our survey plan consisting of 4 boundary lines. Okay. So we are just going to drag this viewpoint just to make it more elaborate, so we'll make sure the survey plan will be placed in the project properly. Okay, that's said and done. We have brought in our survey plan into the project. So the next step is to go to your massing and site tab over here. Then the first thing to do is now to go to this model site. You see a small arrow there, then click on it for site settings. Then it's important you change this angle display from degrees north and south to degrees, and you leave the unit in degrees, meters and seconds, and you click apply and OK. Okay, so to plot this site now, the next step is to go to property line and click on property line. Then click on the create by entering distance and bearings tab. Okay, so let's just drag it here. Okay, wait, let me just cancel this first and zoom in closer so I'll be able to see the data from the survey plan. So we're going to click on property line again and click on create by entering distance and bearing. So in entering the data from this survey plan, we are going to be going by each of these boundary lines on the site, and we are going to be going from left to right in the northern direction. Hence, we are going to be going clockwise direction, that is this way. So we are going to start from this boundary line of 38 meters, then go to this 26, then 39. So we are going to be inputting the distance one by one. So firstly, we have 38.24 meters, that is 38,240 millimeters, and the bearing is at 40 degrees. Just wrote for that 40 degrees. Then 17 meters, 17, the other units are 17. Then to insert another space for imputing data, you just click on insert. You'll see another tab for imputing the data of the second boundary line. Then we'll impute it 26.04 millimeter, that is 26,040 millimeters. Then we're going to place the angle, the bearings, then impute the digit as given. Okay, then we're going to insert another one for the third one, that is 39 meters, 39,000 millimeters. Okay, good. And we put the bearings, so 19. Okay, so for this last boundary line, we don't need to insert another tab for imputing the data. What we just need to do is to add line to close, so it will automatically create the last boundary line, which if you look at the digits, it correlates with what is given on the survey plan, meaning what we did was accurate. So we click OK, and we have our site survey plan. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more content like this, and watch out for our next video. Thank you.